I feel like making a new video. You know, maybe this should work.
Let me break it down for you, Mark.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I mean, I can see it. I'll try to post. Maybe I'll just post this later. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, let's try something else. All right, we're here in this different one. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Man, something still doesn't feel right. I swear. I think it might be my avatar. You know what? I think I'll just change it. All right, yeah, let's do that. All right, let's change it. What is this? Someone, please. What is this? Please, are these chains? Oh, good, you're finally awake. Alright, now we can start the procedure. Procedure? Wait, what procedure? Wait, I didn't agree to this. Wait, what are you talking about? What procedure? Well, here's the thing, Bucko. You got replaced. The player no longer wants to play with you. No longer wants to use you anymore. You're getting replaced by me. Wait, what? No. You can't be serious. I shouldn't be getting replaced. I'm the literal logo of this channel. I swear. Please, what procedure? It has to be safe, right? Well, it certainly is safe. For me, it is. You, on the other hand, you'll be torn apart, limb by limb, organ by organ, bone by bone. Each and every single piece of you will be studied and then put back together shortly after. After all, we don't want you crumbling up to nothing, right? So, what would you rather have? Live for eternity like always, or become nothing more than a pile of organs and blood? Your choice. What? I... Okay, I made my decision. I want to be taken apart, then put back together. That's the deal. Just, please, at least, don't make it too painful, right? Please. I want to be memorable, please. You have my word, my friend. Don't worry. It will be a little bit painful at first, but you won't feel a thing after you black out. Though you will feel all the pain and bleeding later on. You might be disfigured, but you'll be able to see again. Though, quick warning, you're gonna have to be chained up to the air, suspended, so that way you won't fall apart, because your body might be more weak than before. Alright, Doc, I'm ready. No. Oh God. Jesus Christ. What is it? Oh God, it hurts so much. Stop it, please. No. Help me, please. It isn't so bad. I'm pretty sure y'all viewers would like to join this. Though, it is pretty fun. And I recommend it very much for every viewer I have. It is very fun. And I really enjoy the pain and bleeding I endure every day. Alright, this should work. I'm pretty sure it'll work. I mean, alright, let's see this animation. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay. It actually looks pretty good. Yeah, actually, I think, yeah, honestly. This does look pretty cool. Yeah, alright. So I could put like me when we find treasure or something like that. I'm pretty sure they'll get some views. Alright, let's see what else this would work with. Oh, that one meme I used. Okay. No, let's just do it like this. Alright.
Let me break it down for you,
Mark. Okay, yeah. I actually can work with this. This actually looks pretty good. Yeah, alright. I'm glad I replaced my avatar. This is way better. should have kept it a long time ago.
Here comes Dick, he's wearing a skirt. Here comes Jane, you know she's sporting a chain. Same hair evolution, same build evolution. Tomorrow who's gonna fuss? And they love each other so androgynous. Closer than you know, love each other so androgynous. Don't get him wrong, don't get him mad. He might be a father, but he sure ain't a dad. And she don't need advice to send to her. She's happy the way she looks, she's happy with her gender. And they love each other so androgynous. Closer than you know, love each other so androgynous. Mirror image, see no damage, see no evil at all. Cupid dolls and your stalls will be laughed at the way you're laughed at now. Now something meets boy and something meets girl. They both look the same, they're overjoyed in this world. Same hair evolution, unisex evolution. Tomorrow who's gonna fuss? And tomorrow Dick is wearing, and tomorrow Jane is wearing a dress. Future outcast and then all lasting. Today the people dress the way that they please, the way they tried to do in the last centuries. And they love each other so androgynous. Closer than we know, love each other so androgynous.